frying pan, grill pan, pressure cooker, saucepan, roasting pan, paella pan, bowl, glass bowl, colander, plastic colander, cup or saucer, mug, kettle, teapot, pitcher or jug, electric kettle, gas cylinder, stove, wok, cooking pot, casserole dish, electric cooker, cake pan, gratin dish, induction stove, electric stove, mortar and pestle, stuck pot, mixing bowl, plastic basin bowl, souffle dish, ramekin, top, pie pan, plate, measuring cup, knife, cleaver, spoon, fork, spatula, slotted spatula, cooking spot, masher, Indian spatula, ladle, grater, kitchen tongue, skimmer spoon, spider strainer, stiff or strainer, whisk, chopping board, cutlery, stock pot, mixer or blender, deep fryer, water glass, wine glass, hand mixer, stand mixer, kitchen sink, refrigerator, metal bucket, plastic bucket, napkin, sponge, dishwash bar, scrub pads, soap, weighing scale, peeler, wooden spoon, rolling board, rolling pin,